One thing I've learned as an adult is there are no barriers. We've had an opportunity this year to work and combine with learning.
Some people asked me, what's going on here today? It's kind of like a science fair on steroids with STEM and technology. And I know our 3rd and 4th graders are really excited about all the learning that's gone on in the last few weeks with this Humtown Silver Apple project.
We at Silver Apple, we're like the conductor of relationships. We're people, bringing people together. So our goal at Silver Apple is to bring in industry, like Marco Mancha, Humtown, to the school systems to actually engage on problems that you could solve and help solve. There are threads inside of each one of these projects that are going to help us move forward. And it was very exciting, and the passion that you have while you're doing this is the energy that will move us forward.
We told them that Humtown is a family-owned local company that is known for products nationwide. However, they're experiencing a problem that is slowing down their manufacturing process and costing them time and money. We need your help to help Humtown find a solution to this problem by successfully removing the sand from the mold, which we use as a buffer.
It was pretty fun creating this thing because we got to find out what to use and what not to use and what it does. The hardest part was probably getting it so that every time we improved it, it would work better each time, and trying to figure out a way that it could work better and better and better to hopefully sometime get the sand all off.
I think my favorite part was probably when we were building it.
I think that we met all the criteria for success, and we worked really hard to do this, and we did really good, and we had a lot of collaboration.
We are proud to be partners with Humtown. Thank you.
This type of change needs to happen here, in other schools, and all across the country. I know that I learn more and I perform at a higher level when I enjoy what I'm doing. And it was just so exciting to get to see how excited we were and we need that going forward.
Our young men and our young ladies here today reinforce why we choose to teach. Teaching isn't something dominated by the person at the front of the room. It's dominated by the ideas within the room. Getting people to work together is an extreme challenge, but a tremendous opportunity for growth because we do more together. These are our leaders that will lead our area into the future, into employment, and into success.